Hello everyone. Hi. Hello. Stop focusing on. I thought I'd make this video to talk a little bit about studying abroad, because I've been spending my last 4 months studying abroad in Hobart, which is in Tasmania, Australia. Hello everyone. I just wanted to talk a little bit about what you can expect once you decide to study abroad. Because what I did, I came down here practically alone. I had Frida, which was really good comfort. But other than that, I'm practically alone. Come down to a new environment. What I found difficult in the beginning was just shopping, like getting food for myself, finding out which products I like, because it's all different from where I'm from, Norway. Another thing is studying in English.
This was shit.
You can hear my accent, it's not perfect, but it's helped me. I'm more comfortable speaking English. I would never have been able to speak English in front of a camera like this before coming down here. Today guys, I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about knitting, because knitting is my favorite activity. All that doesn't matter. I learned to shop, I found new people to surround myself with, met some of the greatest people I've ever met down here. Friendless. I traveled to New Zealand with people I met 1 month earlier. It's fantastic. It's just an amazing thing. And after a while, you understand that what you actually have to expect when you study abroad is a lot of this. And after that, there's gonna be a lot of this. That's just how it is, though. Like, you spend some money. You know what? That doesn't matter, because this fantastic time is gonna be probably the best time of your life, and you're gonna be smiling 90% of the time, and if you're not, you're probably sleeping. The thing is though, that it's the people that you meet down here that's gonna make this the adventure of your lifetime. It's the people you're gonna take on road trips, on adventures. It's the people you're gonna have fun with and laugh with. And yeah, just look at all these fantastic people I met while down here. I have some weird friends I met down here. As a good friend of mine that I met down here told me, one of the last times I saw him before he left, is that what we have here is an adventure that we have built together. All of us people, all the people I met down here. And it's a one-time experience, a one-time adventure. We will all never be here at the same time again. So we will never be able to reproduce this moment. And that's kind of the beauty of it. It's what makes this moment special, and it's been a good time, fantastic time. And that's kind of the conclusion of this video. And with that, I just wanted to tell you all, thank you for all the great moments.
I only rage when someone gives me a reason to. Oh my god! No, look at this! I'm not always like this, just 98%. Now when it's footy zone, he starts getting into 60. Oh my goodness.
Take your tongue out. Hey!
Whatever floats your boat.
Whatever floats my boat, Frida. It's probably these. All the crazy moments.
Got to get through a little bit of water here. Heading up to Green Top Mountain over there. It's a crag of rock sticking out here at the edge of the world, just off the northwest coast of Tasmania. We gotta send it through these waves here. It's pretty powerful surf in this area. Trying to send it to the top of Green Top Crag on Green Top Mountain. Thank you. Oh my God! Hug, man.
Come back in. Don't straight. Grab the rope. Ow! Oh my God, my stomach! Holy Christ! Oh.
He won't, dude.
Thank you for all the laughs. There's been a lot of those.
Oh my God.
You won't jump in it.
You did it. Oh yeah!
I won't speak with you anymore.
And now, thank you for practically breaking my heart. I will never forget you guys, and I hope to see you soon.
Hey dude, this is sick. Look at that view.